Okay, Doc Weeks back here on the HoloLens. Let's originally visit what we described as Newton's second law, F equals ma. However, in 1687, when Isaac Newton published Principia, considered one of the most intellectual works ever by a human, he did not write his second law like that. In fact, he wrote his second law in terms of momentum. And what he wrote was a force is really the change in momentum over time. And that makes sense, which I can show you here. If I throw this marker against the wall, it has a mass, it's going to come in with a velocity, and it's going to hit the wall, and it's going to take a force to stop it. Okay? Boom. So that's the second law in terms of momentum. And we could write that in more important as the momentum of something final, mv final, minus the momentum of something initial over time. So the mass of the marker didn't change. Okay, its initial velocity was coming in, it was positive something, and its final velocity was 0, so it lacked momentum. Divide that by the time it took for the collision, and we get the force. Okay? So this is that can be written as that a force is really the time it takes to change momentum. It takes to change momentum. Okay, so classic modern adaptation F equals ma of the second law, the way Newton originally wrote it here, change in momentum over time, momentum something final, momentum of something initial over time, and force is really the time it takes to change momentum. Hey Cortana, go home.
I can't connect at the moment. Try again in a little bit.